In this lesson, we're going to cover page settings and team management. Let's start in settings. To access your page settings, click your user menu in the bottom left and then click Settings. From here, we have a few different options: Organization, Profile, Pages, and Team. Under Organization, we have a few organization-specific settings, such as company icon, company name, company domain, and then team allowed models. Under Profile, we can set some profile-specific things, such as first name and last name, and then your preferred model. We suggest leaving it automatic. Moving into the Pages tab, this is where we have some asset settings, such as custom subdomain, which we'll cover in a future lesson. You can also set a favicon image. This is the image that displays in the Browser tab. Underneath this, we can set a default image, we can set a page title, and a page description. These three settings are quite important, as these control what the preview looks like when sharing your link. Underneath this, we have search engine settings. These control how the search engine indexes or crawls your pages by default. After this, we have additional code snippets. This is where you can add tracking scripts and other third-party code. The head HTML field loads before the page renders. Use it for things like Google Tag Manager, analytics tools, or cookie consent scripts. The body HTML field loads after the page content. That's where you'd put chat widgets, heat maps, or pop-up tools. Anything you add here runs automatically on every asset you publish, so you only need to set it up once. Finally, there's a cookie consent. When enabled, visitors opt into Mutiny before Mutiny places tracking cookies. This is recommended if you target audiences in regions with strict privacy requirements like the EU. Now let's talk about managing your team. With our settings modal already open, click on Team. Here you can see everyone in your workspace, their current role, and their status. To invite someone new, add their email to the invite members input and select their role from the drop-down menu. A seat is counted as occupied as soon as the invite is sent. You don't need to wait for them to accept. When someone leaves your team, you can remove them from this page. Their access is then revoked immediately. Roles determine what each person can do in Mutiny. There are a few to know. Owners have full access: billing, settings, users, everything. The first person to create the workspace is the owner by default. Admins can invite and remove users, change roles, edit page settings, and set up integrations. They can't modify owner accounts. Users can use all product features available on your plan, but can't manage team settings or roles. To change someone's role, click the role dropdown by their name and select the new role. Only owners and admins can do this. One more thing worth noting. Admins can set a monthly credit cap per user, which limits how much of the shared AI credit pool any one person can use in a given month. This is helpful if you want to make sure credits are distributed across the team. That covers the page settings and team management. In the next lesson, we'll walk through how to set up your custom subdomain so your assets are served from your own domain.